Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into the world of extra credit and bonus points within D2L. In the D2L Gradebook, you have two different ways to handle extra credit. First, there's extra credit, which refers to required activities. This means that extra credit points are factored into a required quiz, a required Dropbox, required discussion, or other activity. For example, this could be a bonus question offered within a quiz, extra credit given to that assignment, or extra points for a particularly well-reasoned discussion reply. It's important to note that students are penalized if they don't complete the activity, but the extra credit can boost the score on that activity, thus making it feasible for a student to earn higher than 100%. On the other hand, we have bonus points, which refer to optional activities. Unlike extra credit, bonus points are not factored into required activities and are typically used to reward students for going above and beyond. These points do not penalize students if they don't complete the activity. Understanding the difference between extra credit and bonus points is key to effectively managing your gradebook in D2L. So let's go and explore these concepts further and see how you can implement them into your courses. The first that we're going to demonstrate here is working with extra credit. To make sure any extra credit points that your students have earned are counted correctly, you're going to make sure that the grade item and the grade category and the final calculated grade are allowed to exceed that level. So first, let's go into the category. Allow category grade to exceed. Now let's go to the actual assignment that the students can earn extra credit for. Make sure they can exceed. And now that calculated grade, we just want to verify that's also can exceed. So now that we know that that item for that assignment will be able to exceed the grade value of 100. So now let's go take a look at the students. We have Spider-Man and student test here have both submitted the assignment. I'm rewarding one with 105 points and I'm rewarding one with 108 points. They are out of 100, so that you can see that they both have received extra credit for doing this assignment. The next I want to show you is creating a bonus assignment or a bonus point within your course. So remember, bonus refers to a grade item that can only improve a participant's grade. So failure, if they don't do it, it's not going to penalize them at all. So here I have a bonus assignment, and under the grades, we're just going to make sure we've got it here. So now let's go and make sure that this one is bonus. So we're going to select this and we're going to add in a weight. And there you go. So you'll see that little icon there of the star that's just letting you know that this one is a bonus. Now, let's go take a look at some students' work. When we look at the students' work here under the grade area, we can see that this student here, he has submitted the bonus and he has received 8 marks out of 10 for this bonus. Right now, the other students have not submitted it. So they're not going to receive a mark for it, but it's also not going to calculate and it's not going to penalize them if they don't complete it. In conclusion, you can see the difference. So extra credit, again, is going to be required activity. Bonus points are referred to optional activities. Thanks for watching.